Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm doing a follow-up on a phone case I received from SUPCASE. It's the Unicorn Beetle Pro. It's the one I've been using for about a year now, and I absolutely love this case. It's got the little kickstand in the back, full protection around the whole phone, as you can see here. Absolutely love it, but the problem is with the little clip, it actually broke on me after about a year. I was maybe a little rough with it, but you know what? It is what it is. So I always try to make follow-up videos on certain products, and this is one of them that I'm going to make a video on. So I reached out to the company, and believe it or not, they took care of me. So this is a great company. So I wanted to make a follow-up video. I think they deserve that. I just want to show you the case one more time. I want to show you the clip. This clip did break. And so I was, like I said, it was a little, maybe a drop rough, but it seemed to have a little weak point right here maybe. But you know what? They took care of me. So I expected them just to send me another clip in the mail, and they did better than that. They actually sent me a brand new case, a full case, which is amazing. That is a great company, a company that stands by their product. So you got to give the good and you got to talk about the bad, but this time we're talking about the good. And I'm going to show you this case one more time. They deserve another video. And they just reached out to me and basically sent me another case. I was just by a consumer, use my consumer account. They don't know who I was, and they sent me another case. So props to you for sending me another case and taking care of your customers. That's how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. You send them another case, you don't aggravate people, you take care of them, and you know what? Now you have a customer for life. And that's how it kind of works. So let's take a look at the case one more time. I'm doing another unboxing. You might as well. They deserve it. So the case comes just like, and if you saw my original video, I did do an original video, because I like to make videos of all the products I buy and also do receive. Comes with all the paperwork inside here, just like you see. And let's just get right to the case itself. So they sent me a whole, and I'm shocked about this, honestly, guys. So here's the whole case, brand new in the box, brand new in the package, exact same case. So instead of sending me a clip, they sent me the whole thing, and I thought that was absolutely awesome. Let's see here, separating from the face. Yep, there's a little plastic protector here. You can see here. Here is the case, brand new case, as you can see, awesome. So I love wearing it on the belt. I know it's old school, but I absolutely love it. So I'm going to actually, and this is the little kickstand I talk about. So I love this little kickstand. That's awesome. I love it, and it works perfect for my phone. So let's just put it right on. Let's take off the old one. I will leave a link down below. This is an affiliate link, just to be transparent. So I'm just telling you that the company's awesome. It backed up what they backed up their product. And I think that's fantastic. So I'll put a link down below. So if you're interested in this case, this is for an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'm sure they have other ones available for all their phones. Here's the cover. Here is the actual phone itself. Let me clean off the phone and we get right back to you. We're going to install it into the new case. Super easy. Hey guys, I didn't realize that they actually have a film inside. They actually got a little bit better. They have a protection film on the inside and the outside of this case, which is really, really, really nice. So you want to just make sure you pull off the inside film first. Okay. Then you pop your phone in. Okay. Like that. Pop your phone in. Okay. Then you wrap it around the whole case like I was telling you before. Super easy. It wraps right around. And just make sure it's snug all around. I tell you, this thing is fantastic. Full protection. Why pay a fortune for those other brands? And this company backs you up. I had another brand. I'm not going to mention the brand. And I broke a clip because they do break. I don't care what you buy. And they charged me $8 for the clip. It's a lifetime warranty, but shipping was $8. Well, you get that idea. So I highly recommend this company. If you're looking for this, for a high quality case, SUPCASE is probably one of the best out there. I love it. And for them to stand by what they did, I am a lifetime member. So SUPCASE, props to you. Thank you so much for replacing this whole thing. It means a lot to me. Didn't have to do that, and I am super happy and super stoked. So I'll leave a link down below. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying any of my content on my channel. This is what I do. Tell you the good, tell you the bad, and then really promote when they really step up and do something awesome, because they deserve it. So definitely leave a link down below for that. This is the SUPCASE Beetlejuice Pro, like I said, and I've had nothing but good luck. Phone is fantastic. I've dropped this phone many times and with no issues whatsoever. It's got this protector on the front. It's got full protection all around, and it's good to go. So definitely, this is definitely a high quality case. All right, guys, I'll leave a link, I said, down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I appreciate that. I'll leave some other links, other videos that I do, other tech videos, so check them all out as well. And also, don't forget that super thanks. If you enjoyed the content and I brought you some value, and I really appreciate that. If you can do that, it helps support my channel. Everything I do raise with that super thanks goes back into the channel, so I can go out and purchase new items and do reviews for you. And that's what I like to do. And that's what I have for you today. I have to say that's about it. I appreciate that. Also, don't forget to leave some comments down below. That helps me out with the algorithm. And hit that like button. That helps me out too. That's a thanks you can give me as well. I really appreciate it.